Did you know that a simple mistake in the kitchen can put your health at risk? When it comes to eggs, a food many consider healthy and essential, there are dangerous pitfalls that few are aware of. Overcooking, eating them raw, or even improper storage are common mistakes that can impact your health in ways you never imagined. Believe it or not, a poorly handled egg could be responsible for serious issues like food poisoning and cholesterol imbalances. But are you making these mistakes without even realizing it? Imagine how many times you could have unknowingly put your health at risk. Small slips when preparing or eating eggs can make all the difference between a nutritious meal and a real health hazard. In this video, we'll reveal the 5 mistakes you should never make when eating eggs, and, more importantly, how to fix them in simple and effective ways. Want to know how to protect your health while still enjoying the benefits of this superfood? Stay until the end to find out. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you never miss an update. And let us know in the comments where in the world you're watching us from. We'd love to know. Salmonella is a bacteria that may seem harmless at first glance, but its impact on human health is quite serious. It is often found in animal-derived foods, such as eggs and meat, and can cause severe food poisoning. Symptoms of salmonella infection vary from person to person, but generally include fever, diarrhea, vomiting, and intense abdominal pain. These symptoms can appear hours or even days after consuming contaminated food, turning a meal into a painful and dangerous experience. Therefore, understanding the severity of salmonella is the first step in avoiding the common mistakes that can lead to contamination. Salmonella contamination in eggs can occur in various ways. It can be present both on the shell and inside the egg, especially if bacteria-carrying hens are involved in the production process. It's a silent risk that can't be detected with the naked eye, but its effects are devastating. Often, a simple kitchen mistake, like not cooking eggs properly, can open the door to this bacteria. That's why knowing the risks and prevention methods is essential to protect your family's health. In the next sections, we'll dive into each of these mistakes, starting with the habit of eating undercooked eggs. Many people underestimate the impact regular egg consumption can have on cholesterol levels, especially those with a history of cardiovascular problems. While eggs are an excellent source of protein and other nutrients, they also contain a significant amount of cholesterol, primarily in the yolk. This can go unnoticed by those who don't regularly monitor their cholesterol levels, but it's a crucial point for those already at risk for heart disease. For individuals predisposed to high cholesterol, consuming eggs excessively can lead to increased cholesterol levels in the blood, which in turn raises the risk of heart disease. That's why it's essential to understand that, while eggs have their benefits, consumption should be moderate and adapted to each person's needs. A lack of awareness of this balance can make excessive egg consumption a negative factor for long-term cardiovascular health. For those concerned about cholesterol, a practical alternative is to limit yolk consumption and opt for recipes that only use egg whites, which are cholesterol-free and still offer high-quality protein. Another tip is to keep egg consumption within a safe limit, such as up to 3 or 4 eggs a week, depending on medical advice. It's not necessary to completely eliminate eggs from your diet, but rather to adjust your intake to each person's reality, always considering existing cholesterol levels. Additionally, it's worth considering balancing your diet with other foods, choosing options rich in fiber and healthy fats, like avocados and fish, which can help control cholesterol levels in the blood. These simple changes can make a big difference for those needing to care for their cardiovascular health without giving up the pleasure of eating eggs. Small dietary adjustments, combined with medical supervision, can ensure cholesterol stays under control without compromising nutrition. Many don't realize that cooking eggs at very high temperatures can actually compromise their nutritional value. When eggs are exposed to intense heat, the cholesterol in the yolk can oxidize, a process that may increase the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Additionally, high temperatures can destroy some of the vitamins and minerals that make eggs such a valuable food. This means that even though eggs are naturally healthy, the way they are prepared can directly affect their health benefits. Cooking eggs healthily requires patience and care, ensuring that heat is distributed evenly without burning or overheating the food. A more balanced approach to cooking eggs involves using moderate temperatures, such as when cooking in a water bath or over low heat if fried or scrambled. This not only preserves nutrients, but also results in an egg with better texture and flavor. Slow cooking can be the key to keeping the nutritional value intact, preventing the food from losing its essential properties. Another alternative is to opt for methods like poaching or cooking eggs in water at 80 to 85 degrees Celsius, where the yolk reaches a creamy consistency without compromising its nutritional quality. These methods are particularly effective in ensuring the egg retains its nutrients while providing a more enjoyable culinary experience. Besides protecting vitamins and minerals, cooking at lower temperatures helps avoid the formation of harmful compounds like oxidized cholesterol products. Small adjustments in cooking methods can make a big difference to your health while still ensuring a tastier and more nutritious meal. The secret lies in finding the right balance between temperature and cooking time, allowing eggs to be consumed in their most nutritious form. Remember, cooking with care can preserve the best of the egg, keeping it as a health ally rather than a potential risk when improperly prepared. One of the most common and perhaps the most dangerous mistakes is eating undercooked eggs. Many enjoy a slightly runny yolk, whether in a fried or poached egg, without considering that this practice could be putting their health at risk. Salmonella can be present both on the shell and inside the egg, and only proper heat can eliminate it. When eggs are undercooked, high temperatures do not reach all parts of the food, leaving the door open for this bacteria to cause infection. To avoid this risk, it's essential to ensure that both the yolk and white are fully cooked, acquiring a firm and uniform texture. It's not about eliminating the pleasure of enjoying an egg the way you like it, but rather finding a balance between taste and safety. For those who enjoy a creamier egg, the solution may be to cook over low heat, allowing the heat to slowly reach all parts of the egg without burning or drying it out. This way, you preserve the flavor and still protect your health. Additionally, you can opt for recipes where the egg is cooked longer, such as in omelets or well-cooked scrambled eggs. Adapting these kitchen habits may seem like a small adjustment, but it makes all the difference in ensuring your meal is safe. Storing eggs properly is a crucial step in ensuring their safety and avoiding contamination. Many people don't realize that how eggs are stored can directly influence the growth of bacteria like Salmonella. Temperature is one of the most important factors in this process. Ideally, eggs should be kept at a constant temperature, preferably below 4 degrees Celsius, to prevent bacterial growth. Storing eggs in the refrigerator, preferably in their original packaging, helps protect them from odors and flavors of other foods and prevents the shell from becoming contaminated. Another important point is paying attention to egg expiration dates and storage time. Eggs have a shelf life that should be strictly followed, and it's best to consume them before the final date indicated on the packaging. Additionally, once cooked, eggs should be eaten quickly or refrigerated, avoiding leaving them at room temperature for long periods, which could encourage bacterial growth. For dishes that use cooked eggs, like salads or fillings, it's essential to keep them refrigerated until the moment of consumption. By following these guidelines, you minimize risks and ensure eggs are always a safe choice in your diet. Eating raw eggs may seem harmless, especially in recipes like homemade mayonnaise, sauces, or desserts like mousse, but this practice is risky. Raw eggs are an open door for Salmonella, and the risk of contamination increases significantly when there's no heat treatment to kill the bacteria. Even if the eggs look fresh and healthy, there's no way to ensure they're free from contamination without cooking them properly. Additionally, Salmonella can be present on the egg's shell, transferring to the inside during handling. For this reason, avoiding raw eggs is a safety measure that should not be ignored. For those who don't want to give up recipes that traditionally use raw eggs, a solution is to opt for pasteurized eggs, which undergo a heating process that eliminates bacteria without cooking the egg. These eggs are ideal for use in recipes that require the texture and flavor of raw eggs, but with the safety of a salmonella-free product. Additionally, it's important to refrigerate foods prepared with raw eggs properly and consume them as quickly as possible to minimize risks. Adopting these practices can help protect your health without compromising the quality of your recipes, allowing you to enjoy your favorite dishes with more peace of mind and safety. Pairing eggs with certain foods can reduce their benefits and add unnecessary calories and fats to your diet. For example, it's common to see eggs served with bacon or sausages, both rich in saturated fats and sodium, which can turn a healthy meal into a calorie bomb. These combinations not only cancel out the benefits of eggs, but can also contribute to issues like weight gain and cardiovascular diseases. Additionally, these choices can lead to a nutritional imbalance, reducing fiber intake and increasing the amount of harmful fats in your diet. The challenge is finding combinations that preserve the nutritional value of eggs while promoting a balanced diet. A healthy alternative is to pair eggs with fresh vegetables like spinach, tomatoes, and zucchini, which add fiber, vitamins, and minerals to the meal. Another suggestion is to use eggs in recipes like omelettes filled with vegetables and fresh herbs, or egg salads with leafy greens and olive oil. These combinations not only complement the flavor of the eggs, but also help create a more balanced and healthful meal. Moreover, by opting for ingredients rich in antioxidants, such as broccoli or bell peppers, you further enhance the positive effects of eggs on the body. By rethinking combinations, it's possible to enjoy eggs without compromising your health while ensuring a more complete and nutritious diet. Cooking eggs healthily doesn't have to be complicated, but it requires attention to a few details that can make all the difference. First, choosing cooking methods that use little or no oil is essential to maintaining the egg's nutritional value. Techniques like steaming, poaching, or baking are great alternatives for those looking to preserve the nutrients in eggs without adding unnecessary calories. Additionally, it's important to select oils that are stable at high temperatures, such as olive oil or coconut oil, if you choose to fry eggs. Another crucial point is the choice of eggs themselves. Opting for eggs from free-range hens fed naturally can ensure a better quality product with higher nutrient content and fewer chemical residues. Finally, varying cooking methods also helps keep a balanced and interesting diet. Try cooking eggs in different ways throughout the week, such as scrambled, boiled, or in omelettes, to maximize the benefits of this versatile food. With these tips, you can ensure that eggs remain a healthy and tasty part of your daily diet. If you have something to add, please share it with us in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm leaving 2 videos on the screen that I'm sure you'll like. See you there.